This is a demonstration of speeding up the connection to a ControlLogix PLC over Ethernet IP. So right now, you can see we've got this blue Ethernet cable connecting to our PLC, and then it connects over to the back of our desktop computer. There's two Ethernet cards on this computer. This orange cable goes to some other equipment. It has a static IP. This here has a dynamic IP. It's a different card, two separate cards. Now if we look here on our computer screen, in RSLogix Classic, you can see there's a few different drivers set up, but the blue cable, the Ethernet card, it's got the blue cable connected to it and then to our PLC is set up on this driver here. You can see that there's these other devices with different IP addresses that are X'd out. This one right here is the PLC. It's not X'd out. These other four, we're going to just remove them by pressing the down arrow to select them and then pressing delete on the keyboard and then clicking yes to the prompt. So we're going to delete all these, and that's just going to ensure that RSLogix isn't always trying to pull and look for those devices. So let's just go back down, delete, yes, delete, yes, there. So we got rid of those. So now drill down, and there you can see there's our PLC controller. So I'm going to close this, minimize this because we want to leave RSLogix Classic open. We're going to go into RSLogix 5000. We're going to set our communication path by going to Who Active. And then we want to use that same Ethernet IP2 driver that we're using in RSLogix. Select it. We can drill down, find our PLC, and then click. If we want to, we can upload the file. So let's just first, we're going to make a brand new configuration. So we'll close this. We'll go to New, File, New. We're going to be using the 1756L61 controller. We're all good there. We'll just call this Test, the project. And we got the 10 slot chassis. We're good there. Click OK. It's going to create our project file. And then we'll set our communication path. We go into Communications, Who Active again. Drill down. Find our PLC, and then you can see now the Set Project Path button is no longer grayed out. We'll click Set, and we're going to click Download. We're going to download this new test project. Change it back to remote run, sure. And then now we want to go, we're already online, it looks like, yes, so we're good to go. So now what I want to do is I want to manually discover, sorry, not manually, I want to have the ControlLogix software auto discover all of our modules in our PLC backplane. So we right click, go discover modules, and then all these devices now we can create them, we don't have to manually add them. Click Create. I think it requires a name, so we'll just call this Ethernet. Click OK. We're going to create our input module. This one does not require a name. Discover modules. I'm just going to verify that we can create all of our modules. There, so now we've added all of our modules. So normally, if we wouldn't have deleted all those nodes that were X'd off, sometimes that can slow down our communication, and it takes a really long time to do this discover our modules feature that we just did. So this is more or less a test and demonstration just to show how to speed that process up.